Hi, and welcome to this course on editing using Premiere Pro. My name is Ali Saunders, and I've been editing corporate videos, commercials, lifestyle videos, and lots more for years. I love being able to tell a client's story through beautiful footage and dialogue, and create video edits that really stand out and affect an audience. In this course, you will learn how to do exactly that. We're going to be covering a lot, so please pause the lessons often, participate in the quizzes, and take notes to retain the information and get the fullest experience from this course. I've included a downloadable PDF for PC users that translate the keyboard commands, so if you're a PC user, be sure to download this PDF. Let's go over what you'll learn in this course. You'll learn how to stay organized with an efficient folder structure, editing with 4K clips, editing with slow motion clips, editing with footage that has been rotated, making presets for your Premiere Pro sequences, creating proxies to make your workflow faster and more efficient, troubleshooting when working with proxies, adding tools to your toolbar, syncing guide audio and externally recorded audio together, creating custom keyboard shortcuts, choosing selects, choosing the best footage for your edit, spotting duplicate clips on the timeline, and most importantly, you're going to learn from a practical hands-on sense how to choose footage, how to choose the right clips, how to choose the right dialogue, where to put it to really tell a captivating story and create an engaging video. Now, let's look at the video you will be creating in this course.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Tucked away in the untouched Selkirk Mountains in southern British Columbia, Canada, halfway between Calgary and Vancouver, you will find the picturesque city of Nelson. Known as the prettiest town in Canada, framed by rugged terrain including the famous Kokanee Glacier, this town's stunning landscape and many restored heritage buildings give it the look and feel of a fairy tale come to life. Welcome to beautiful Nelson, British Columbia, where people come for a visit and end up buying a home. This place offers everything from incredible ski and snowboarding hills to the best local beer you're ever going to try. Let's go explore this beautiful hidden gem.
Audio Jungle.
If you're a hiker, then you will absolutely love Nelson, BC. Nelson has trails for beginners all the way up to trails that take 2 days to hike. But I promise you, those trails offer a beautiful view. A favorite amongst locals is Pulpit Rock. It's about a half-hour to 45-minute hike, and the views are absolutely stunning.
Audio Jungle.
If you don't have time to hike up to Pulpit Rock to get a beautiful view of Nelson, BC, then your best bet is to come to Gyro Park. This place is very easy to access by road. There's a parking lot, and it's a 2-minute walk into this beautiful viewpoint. There are also lots of trails and bridges, as well as beautiful benches to take a seat, enjoy the scenery, read a book, and really experience Nelson, BC. The waterfront in Nelson is stunning with views of beautiful Kootenay Lake and Bob the Big Orange Bridge. It's really a magnificent sight. The park is beautiful, great for playing with kids or taking a stroll by, and the water and beach in the summer is a great place to swim.
Audio Jungle.
Whether you're just staying in town to enjoy beautiful Nelson, BC, or you're exploring the surrounding areas, the ski hills, the hiking trails, or a yoga retreat, there's so much to do here. This is a traveler's dream and a real hidden gem.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, you've seen what we're going to create together, and I can't wait to get started, so I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.